If your Dyson smells after washing the filter kind of really musty, don't worry, it's a very common thing, and today I'm going to show you why it happens and also how to cure it. So why does this happen? I've got two words for you: drying time. Now there's two types of people in this world, and be honest in the comments, which one are you? Person 1 or person 2? Person 1, they think their filter is perfectly dry, so they put it back in, but it's not quite dry enough. So they've put it in a confined space, and if you imagine putting a damp towel in a carrier bag for a week, it's going to start to smell. Then add a little bit of dust and dirt to it, and the germs are having a field day. And then there's person 2. Their filter was 100% dry. They know this for sure because they left it there for 2 whole days drying. Well, that's probably the issue. We all know that person that dries their clothes indoors in the winter, yeah? But the room never quite gets hot enough to dry the clothes. So what happens? The clothes smell like damp. It's the same thing with the filter. If you're leaving it too long to dry in a room or atmosphere that's not warm enough to dry it, that will also cause this smell. And then of course there's actually person 3 who insists they didn't do any of those things and their filter just smells because it smells. Now, no matter what person you are, how do we cure this smelly filter? Well, we've got nothing left to lose. Let's go and wash it again. But we're not just washing it with water. We don't wash our armpits with water, do we? We put something onto it to get rid of the germs and the smell that's causing this problem. Get some disinfectant or something like that. You are not doing the filter any harm. Now you've washed it and it's smelling lovely, we need to get it dry, and we need to get it dry fairly quickly. So make sure it is in direct sunlight. That is the best thing you can do. However, if you live in the UK like me, you need to put it on top of a warm radiator overnight. Make sure the radiator is warm, not too hot, and definitely not off. There's also no harm in giving it a head start with a hairdryer too. We're just trying to get the filter dry as quickly as we can before the damp kicks in. So you've done all that again and it still smells damp. Filters are consumable products, okay? Call it a day with this filter. Go and buy a spare one, buy 2, so you've always got one to use while your other one is being washed and dried. Now if you've been getting any suction or pulsing problems after cleaning your filter, this next video is for you. In the video I show you exactly how to tell when it's time to change your filter for a new one.